the fascinating thing about that is that it's not just a cancer story. There's research now in Parkinson's disease. So Parkinson's disease is a neurocognitive disorder. So that means basically it's a brain condition. Mm-hmm. Well, it turns out that Parkinson's probably starts in the gut. And this is actually a disorder of the gut-brain connection because both parts are involved. It's not just the brain condition. The brain condition is actually the more severe part. So for the people who are listening at home, we have a model out and I have just lifted their skull like Hannibal Lecter and exposed their brain tissue. And what we want to talk about is the brain-gut connection, the connections between the brain and their intestines. And so we have classically thought of Parkinson's disease as being a brain health problem. But I'm here to tell you that this problem begins down here in the gut and involves the connections between the two. Because every single person that I've ever seen with Parkinson's disease, they're constipated. All of them. And what's interesting is that they've now shown that the constipation comes before the Parkinson's disease. So now this doesn't mean for people who are constipated, there's a lot of you out there. This doesn't mean that if you're constipated, you're going to develop Parkinson's disease. There's a very small percentage of people. But it's important to understand that the manifestations of this health condition actually start in the digestive system before they actually transfer up to the brain. And so now in this study, Steve, what they did is they took these people who have Parkinson's disease, they gave them a fecal transplant.
They gave them a poo transplant?
They gave them a poo transplant.